Hey guys, welcome back once again to our YouTube channel Ships and Port. So new year had started and we are back with our new video regards to ship and ports. So today we will discuss regarding the US Congress report regarding the Navy ships. According to new US Congress report, United States Navy ships are very small to protect themselves. So US Navy ships are currently facing two hindrances which are making themselves less defending from unmanned aerial vehicle and anti-ship missiles are ammunition storage area and cost expenditure in navy assets. So as amount of ammunition will increase, the navy ships will not require to withdraw a ship from battle and spend time traveling to a safe reloading location, and expense made in the modern ship's defense system will ensure the life of sailors and prevent every damage to navy ships. Also, solid state lasers are good options for jamming and blocking small boats and UAVs, and will help potentially in future to counter every anti-ship missiles. But again, higher energy weapons will be required to protect themselves, as require a lot of electricity, which means bigger energies and much larger fuel tanks and lots of batteries. So that's all for this information. If you like this video,